We're on Lords of the North, Ecology of Hudson Bay's polar bears in Manitoba, Canada. Seeing polar bears in their natural environment has been on my bucket list my whole life, and the Rhodes Scholar trip then just has so much else to offer with the education programs and the incredible science center, the staff.
This program has an obvious focus on polar bears, and so we do have 2 full days on a tundra buggy where you'll spend time with the polar bears.
You connected with them, whether it was you looked them directly in the eye or they looked directly at you. It was just marvelous.
Participants on this program have access to researchers who have been doing research in their field for decades. It's quite unique, and it's obvious that there's a real emphasis on climate change and on the environment.
We've learned so much about climate change. It gives us pause to wonder what's going to happen, and will our grandchildren be able to see what we've experienced?
The biggest lesson I learned that I'm taking away from this trip is not only do I need to do my part to help our Earth and the climate change, but I have to also help educate other people. I feel like we've been educated, and now we need to go out and share this information and get people to listen.
If I had a friend who wanted to experience polar bears and this diverse ecosystem, I would recommend Rhodes Scholar highly, because it gives you all of the information that I was looking for, and up close and personal with wildlife, fabulous leaders, information. It was just fascinating, absolutely fascinating.